pi maler lita moheo 180 pile ka pile e boma ma Mombasa kaachiel kod ting'o malo chenro mar pur kokalo e kuoyo pi e puothe, rito aluora kod ting'o malo chal ngima jodak makono. Director mar bengi ma piny ngima e piny Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda kod Somalia opoyo ondamo ma osego e gedo mar yawno ka bende notene kanyo kod jogoro mag sirikal. Oneno ni familia mane odar mar gero yawno ochul, ogernegi skunde kod kuonde mag thieth. Yawno kotiek gero to biro konyo e neno ni oganda milion 1.5 oyudo pi maler.
Has been facing a lot of degradation, and so within the project component we have included restoration program where we will be planting trees and teaching farmers on how to do farming in a way that prevents soil erosion.
Using the lower check dam, we are planning an irrigation scheme using solar, whereby we'll be able to irrigate 1,000 acres. So we're going to reach over 1,000 farmers, each an acre. So the residents from Kwale County are also going to benefit from an irrigation perspective from that. Then the main dam, again, has another provision of doing 2,000 acres. So we're talking about a total of 3,000 farmers.
We are encouraging every Kenyan, wherever you are, per year, at least grow that trees. And that's not really a very big request to put. It's something which is good for you, good for the country, and good for the generations that will come.
Initially, this water was to 100% benefit the residents of Mombasa County, but a number of negotiations further and back have continued. And there is an agreement for us as a county to use one of the check dams to provide water to our local citizens around.
Nyakora Mugejuang yena mar mondo mi akaw yoyo madundo gi kanyo kaduogo taduogo kod weche mag tuke kikidhi mabor.
Turquoise waters whisper calm.